How to add money in TradingView. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TradingView on your device. To add money, simply scroll down from your main page. After you scroll down, you will find different brokers. Simply click on one of the broker. After you click on the one of the broker, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on connect and connect with the broker. After you connect with the broker, the money you add in the broker account, you will find it in your TradingView account. And in this way, you can add money. This is how to add money in TradingView. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.